Hello everybody. In this video we are going to discuss the problem of bisecting a line or bisecting an arc. So what is meant by bisecting? Bisecting means dividing it into two equal parts. So in any problem, if you want to divide a line into two equal parts, using the concept of geometrical constructions, we are going to discuss the solution for this problem. Okay. Now, according to that solution, when you have a line, actually this is called as line segment, but we will generally call it as a line. Okay. So, if you have a line segment AB of some length, the length of the line could be anything. That means, if the length of the line is say 45 mm or 50 mm or 56 mm or 85 mm, whatever may be the length of the line, this procedure is suitable to divide any line into two equal parts or bisecting any length of line. The first step is taking a compass and take an arc length on the compass with a length equals to more than half distance of the length of AB. That means whatever may be the length of the line, you have to take a length of the arc on the compass which is more than half distance. That means approximately the half distance, that means the midpoint of AB would be somewhere here, approximate. Now you should take a length which is more than that. You can take any length which is more than that. So if I consider like this, so midpoint would be somewhere here, approximate. Now this length of the arc which I have taken on the compass is definitely more than 50%. So definitely more than half of the length. So taking any length which is more than half distance of the length AB, with A as a center, draw arcs on both sides of AB. Draw arcs on both sides of AB, that means above AB and below AB. Similarly, with the same radius, don't change the radius, with the same radius which you have taken. Now with B as the center, cut the already drawn arcs. That means you have drawn this arc, cut it. Similarly on the bottom side. Okay, so you are going to get two intersecting points. Now join these two intersecting points. That line which you draw, which is passing through this point and this point, is going to divide this line AB into exactly two equal parts. That means the line drawn passing through these 2 points will pass through the midpoint of AB, which is nothing but that line is bisecting AB. Okay. Similarly, with the same procedure, that means with the same procedure, the procedure is same. Here in place of a straight line, you have a curved line. Okay, you have a curved line. So what is the procedure? I should take the arc length which is more than half distance of the arc length. That means CD is the arc. Now approximate the midpoint will be somewhere here. I should take arc length which is more than half distance of CD. That means from here to here, maybe somewhat lengthier. Now this would be definitely more than half because the midpoint will be somewhere here, half distance. So this arc length is more than half of CD. Now taking this arc length with C as a center, draw arcs on both sides of CD. Similarly, now with the same radius, with D as the center, cut the already drawn arcs. So again, if you draw a line passing through these two intersecting points, if you draw this line, that line is going to bisect the arc CD. That means it will pass through the midpoint of CD. So this is how the procedure is corresponding to the bisecting of any line or bisecting of any arc. So once we get the points, take a scale and draw a line passing these two points. So this line will bisect the line AB. That means this is the midpoint of AB, bisecting a line. Similarly, passing these 2 points with the scale, draw a line. So this line is going to bisect the arc CD. So this will be the midpoint of CD. Okay.